Connecting your bank account to QuickBooks Online allows you to automatically import and track transactions, making bookkeeping more efficient. Here's how to do it. Navigate to the banking section. Log into your QuickBooks Online account. From the left-hand menu, click on Banking. Add a new bank account. In the Banking section, click the Link Account button in the upper right corner. A search bar will appear. Type the name of your bank or financial institution and select it from the list. Log into your bank. QuickBooks will prompt you to sign into your bank account using your online banking credentials. Enter your username and password for the bank and follow any additional security steps. Choose Accounts to connect. Once logged in, you will see a list of your bank accounts. Select the accounts you want to connect to QuickBooks. Specify which account in QuickBooks corresponds to each bank account. Import transactions. QuickBooks will automatically import your recent transactions. You can categorize and review these transactions in the banking section.